Welcome to this video tutorial on installing AMI Data Center Manager on Linux. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up AMI DCM on Ubuntu 22.04, but the steps will be similar for other Ubuntu versions and Linux distributions as well. To download the latest version of AMI DCM, go to the AMI website at ami.com/AMI-DCM. Then click on the Download Free Trial link. This will take you to a form to enter your details. You will then get an email with a link that when clicked will take you to the DCM installer. Download the Linux package and transfer it to your Linux system. On your Linux system, open a terminal and go to the folder where you place the DCM Linux installation package. Now extract the package using the tar command shown here, which will create a subdirectory called DCM64_package. Navigate to that subdirectory and run the installation script as a sudo user. The installer will decompress and will show a welcome screen that outlines the different installation steps. Press Enter to continue, and then review and accept the license agreement to proceed with the installation. As a first step, you will need to choose whether to use the default installation directory or provide a custom one. Unless you have a specific reason to change it, it is recommended to use the default directory. DCM can be set up with high availability where you can have an active instance replicating its data to a passive instance in case the active instance fails. For this installation, we will not be using the high availability feature, so we will accept setting this DCM instance as an active instance, and then choose not to enable high availability. You can refer to the AMI DCM user guide for more information about high availability. Next, you will be prompted to configure the Transport Layer Security, or TLS settings. You can either accept the default port or specify a custom port, and also specify the key store password. The TLS key store is a container that stores digital certificates and private keys used for secure communication over the network using the TLS protocol to verify the identity of the server and the client. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password. Next, you will be prompted to configure the web service settings that the DCM web console will use. You can change the SNMP trap port if needed, as well as the default values for the sampling interval and data granularity, which are 60 and 180 seconds respectively. Next, you will need to configure the main local account name and password that will be used to log into the DCM web console. The password you enter could be the same as the TLS password you entered in the prior step, or a different one. Since DCM uses PostgreSQL as a database, you will need to configure the account, password, port, and directory location for PostgreSQL as well. It is recommended to use the default values unless you have a specific reason to change them. If you want to use AMI DCM's provisioning capabilities for MyTax servers, formerly known as Intel Server Products, you will need to download and install Intel SDP tool before installing DCM. If you do not want to use this feature, accept the default setting, which is No. The installation will start, and after a short time, you will be asked to enter your details for the key store key generation. Once the installation is complete, you can verify that all the files are present in the installation directory. To access the DCM console for the first time, enter the IP address of the system on which DCM was installed in a web browser's address bar using the HTTPS protocol as shown. You should then be prompted to log in using the credentials you set up during the installation process. Once you log in, you will see the DCM dashboard. It will be empty for now until you start adding some devices for DCM to manage. Now you are ready to use AMI DCM's manageability and sustainability features. Stay tuned for more videos, and for more information, visit our website or contact our sales team. Download your free trial version today.